All right, what's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So last night kind of took a risky long position, but it worked out really well. It was a small position. This was a trade in the exclusive Discord. Not going to show you it right now because I put some new trades in, and it would kind of wouldn't be fair for everybody else who's paying for it rather than just showing it on the public channel. So yeah, but this one I did last night. Hit two take profits so far. Took the first take profit, kind of a conservative place over here, somewhere below this spiral line. And then the second take profit, I'm looking to take it around this level. And it was nice bullish divergence in your 30-minute, just like that. That's what I was looking at. So let's get into the general analysis. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum, and we're going to talk about Luna today because Luna is looking really, really good. So the main thing that we want to start with is we confirmed our green dot in the weekly, also confirmed our hidden bullish divergence. And if you've been watching my videos, you've seen me talk about this hidden bullish divergence. Look at this momentum going upward as momentum is going upward, price downward, price is going upward. That's a hidden bullish divergence. It means a continuum of the price going this general upward direction. So that's pretty good. Your 2-day is curving down, so that's more of the bearish case. That could bring us down to maybe 39, 40K if the bearish case, plays out. These RSIs are curving down right here, kind of how they were over here a little bit, or how they were over here before we got a nice jump up. So it could be a healthy correction. Just depends how far that correction will take us. The most bearish of circumstances, at least in the short term, I could see is kind of like this. We come down to 35 or something, just like how we did back here, hit this area and then came up. So that's one possibility. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm a little bit more bullish. I think a lot of people with the Super Bowl, it's kind of are cautiously buying it. So let's bring the price up gradually here, which is good. Your VWAP on the daily looks like it could start to curve upward pretty soon. Money flow generally coming up, and your RSI, especially this RSI, curving right back up, kind of how they were over here a little bit, before you had that nice jump. So that's pretty good right there. I really like that. And your 12-hour curving up with the VWAP. 16-hour looks very similar too. VWAP about to print a nice green dot, little trigger wave that could bring us up quite a bit. Over here, it didn't really work out well at all, but usually the time after, when you have a bullish thing that didn't work out, it works out better. These RSIs are curving back up. So this theoretically, this could take us up to 47, which this is a major point to look for a scalp short position. I've been waiting for this level for a while. I think we could even, trigger waves sometimes, especially once you get into the green here. If you have a money flow crossover to the green while it's happening, you could end up at the most bullish case, even, I know it's crazy, 54, 55 by the end of February in the next few weeks, kind of repeat what we had here already coming up. So it is an exciting time, possibly. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. I mean, there's been a lot of disappointments in this market. But yeah. Going on to your 6-hour, green dot, looks like a bullish continuum. A little bit overheated back here. Looks like we could stay in the green though. 4-hour, kind of the same deal. A little overheated, but you are in the green. You're printing a nice, let's see. Yeah, you're printing a nice bullish divergence. That could theoretically take us back up to 47, like I've been talking about. And your hourly money flow crossover into the green. It could take you up at least a few percentage points, maybe 44 here. Just kind of like back here before we had that crossover into the red back to this general area. So that's what I'm looking at right now. That's why I'm pretty optimistic about my long position. So let's move on to ETH. It's looking very similar to Bitcoin at the moment. Your daily is curving up. The thing that's maybe a little bit more bearish is you are printing the red dot in the 2-day for Ethereum. Your VWAP's curving down. Your RSI is curving down here. However, it could be more like where the RSIs started to curve back down here for this correction and it came back up. If the most bearish of circumstances come out in the short term, probably bounce off of here and continue forward like there, kind of repeating that general pattern. Talked about this for Bitcoin before, so that's always in the cards. Or this is just the healthy correction we've been waiting for, and this VWAP will curve back up along with these RSIs and bring us up some more for a bullish continuum. What supports this is probably the bullish case, probably the daily. VWAP is curving back up to print a green dot. RSI is curving up. Money flow generally coming up. your 16 and 12 hour. This looks really bullish because it's like about to print a green dot right as you're hitting off of this point right here. And your 12 hour, same exact deal. Moving on to your 6 hour, a little overheated, but same as Bitcoin, green dot. And your 2-day, you're in the red. The times we've come into the red here, 2 hour, excuse me. Times we've come into the red here, came right back up, came right back up. I think we may repeat this and come right back up. We will roll over at some point, but I don't think it's just yet. Money flow crossover on the hourly, that looks really good. Just like Bitcoin, theoretically could bring us up to 3.1K around there. So that is Ethereum. Last but not least, let's take a look at Luna. Luna, your weekly VWAP is curving up. That looks really good. Luna's a great project too. I know a lot of you guys really like it, so you'll probably be happy I'm talking about it. Nice bullish divergence here on the 2-day. Money flow coming out, so that's more of the bearish case. But I do think we will generally hold this level right here on the 0.5 fib level. Looks like it's acting as support rather than resistance. 16 hour green dot. RSI is starting to curve up. That looks good. 12 hour, same deal. That looks more bullish. Looks like it's supportive of this point, of us sticking to this point, keeping this point as support rather than resistance. And moving on to your 8 hour, good curvature, momentum coming up, money flow coming up. That looks pretty good. Moving on to the 4 hour, money flow coming up, momentum waves coming up. You can make the argument that's probably a little trigger wave. I like that. In your 2 hour, look at these little trigger waves right here, especially this one. That looks really good. That could probably bring us up to $60, maybe even $64. So that's pretty good. Luna is generally looking pretty good. Not 100%, obviously. Technical analysis isn't going to be right 100% of the time, but it's right most of the time. That's what I will say. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new. Check out my trading course below, 16% off. If you want to know how I interpret market cipher, what I make my trades based on, trading psychology, risk management, why I think the majority of people in this game lose money. I think the course could help you out a lot, so check it out. Link in the description below. If you want to see my Patreon, or my exclusive Discord, where I give some of my trades, entry points, stop losses, take profits, all of that. I'm never right 100% of the time, but I definitely, we have done very, very well in our trade signal, in the trade signals group. Check that out. Link in the description below. It is through Patreon. If you want to book a one-on-one session with me, doing it through the Market Cipher Academy, link in the description below. If you want to get Market Cipher, my coupon code down below, 15% off, link in the description below. And if you want to create a new Bybit account, want to create a new FEMEX account, there's some good deals going on right now. Link in description below. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.